Continue the explanation stanza wise. The central idea of the poem is what? The poem is about making choices in life and choices that shape our future. That is the central idea of the poem. Many alternatives are available all time of choice, but man has to select one. We can select one. Lot of, if suppose related to study, after completing 10th or 12th you are going to your further studies, lot of choices there, but what is the important thing? Which you are going to select, which is the right option to you, that will decide your future. Okay, it is the only future that will reveal whether the decision taken is wrong or not. After taking decisions, we cannot undo them, we cannot delete, we cannot come back. Maybe in some cases we can come back, but in some cases we can't never come back, because our age is also going on. Time is very valuable. Okay, we cannot undo them, we can only regret them. Regret means, also, pastava means I can't do, regret. Like always our mind will murmuring there. Then even if we wish, we cannot start all over again. So taking the right decision and making correct choices is very crucial to an individual's life. Any wrong decision or choice can spoil your life. Okay, that message the author trying to convey in this poem. Then, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long. I stood and looked down one as far I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Diverged means what? Diverged means separated and took a different direction. Yellow wood means what? The leaves on the trees are yellow, suggesting is the autumn season. Autumn season means it is going to decomposing the leaves. Undergrowth means a dense growth of plants and bushes, means a thick forest like. Okay. So once the poet was walking down a road, and then there was a diversion. Diversion means a separation. Diversion, there were two different paths and he had to choose one out of them. The poet want to select that one way, but he doesn't know which one is the correct way. The poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. We are only means we are the single person. The other is the single person. Suppose instead of other, you suppose that you are in place. So the poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. He had to choose one out of these two roads. At the same time, he can't go two ways together. Okay, so he must be selected one way. Then he had to choose one out of these two roads. Yellow wood means a forest with leaves which are wearing out, that they have turned yellow in, means going to decomposing, means old leaves. Wearing out, they have turned yellow in color, the season of autumn. It indicates the season of autumn. It represents a world which is full of people. Not only other. He is conveying for all people. It represents a world which is full of people, where people have been living for many years. They represent people who are older than poet. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it before taking the path. This is the notable point. Before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Which, suppose you are going to select your future choice, you should know very well that. Okay. Was it suitable for him or no? he was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees was hidden. Actually, he don't know. According to this poem, that road was filled with thick bushes and plants, so that he cannot see in front, in forwards, what is that. He cannot see. From where it curved, after it, any curves is there, any struggles may be happen, any means a road is straight or not, is it plain or not, so many questions are arising there. Okay, was it suitable for him or no? He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees was hidden. It happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives. Definitely we have alternatives. Everything nowadays in life, whatever we are going to select, suppose even we are going to purchase a dress in a shop, you will get a lot of choices, alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them. We take time to think about the pros and cons, means after merits and demerits, we have to study detail about them, whether it is suitable for us or not, and only then we take a decision on what path we should choose. Okay.